Now we're going to have a cup of sugar. And here, on sugar. Now I need to make a well. How? Now I need 1/3 cup of milk. Now we need 1 egg. Now I need 1/2 cup of cream. Now we mix it. So we do that. So I get all the ingredients mixed in. That, like that. That's how we do it, and then that's how you do it. That's the way we mix the scones, the scones, the scones. That's the way we mix the scones. Early in the morning. Early in the morning, early in the morning. This is the way we make the scones, and make the scones. This is the way we make the scones. Early in the night, early in the night. Now we need the dough. Yeah, how? Don't do that. Now, do this. See? It's important not to play with it too much. You will get hard scones. Now we need to roll it into 1-inch thick. Now we just need to cut them out. I'm going to put them in the oven at 220 degrees. Good. Now they're all done. Now after they just mix some cream. Oh. Get this. Now I got the scones. Beautiful. Now put the jam on. Nice. Now put the cream on. Now, not on second one. Now it's time to eat them. I like my scone. Delicious. tomorrow.